In today's video, I got another affordable mod for you guys for these Ram trucks, and also it could fit some Challengers and Chargers, so let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so in my hand I have something for the interior of these vehicles. So this fits the newer Chrysler products, so the Ram, the Charger, the Challengers. I found these by mistake. They're on Amazon, extremely affordable. And let me jump in. I was going to do some stuff to the exterior of the vehicle, but it's starting to get some nasty weather, so I'm going to do this video for you guys. Let's jump inside the truck where it's not raining and get started. All right, so here we are inside the truck, you guys. It started raining. I wanted to do a different video for you guys, something a little bit more involved, but I did have these show up today, so I want to show you guys them. Okay, so in my hand, I have these aluminum pieces. They're actually pretty cool. It's a little interior trim. These things are only $11 and some change, so they're super cheap and affordable. But I wanted to check them out. Since we upgraded our 8-speed shift knob on the last video, I wanted to get something that kind of matched. So these here go on your climate and stereo knobs. They slip over top. You don't have to do anything crazy, but they're pretty cool, you guys. So they have a nice knurled edge on them, and it's also got this machined groove here. They look, I don't know, in my opinion, they look like they could be something factory, but comment down below if you guys think I'm out of line with that, or you think I'm crazy, but I think they look pretty cool. It's got this, like I said, knurled edge, and they essentially just slip on. It also comes with these little double-sided tapes just to keep them on a little bit better, but should be able to just slide them on and stay on there. If not, you can put on these two little double-sided tapes. It comes with 2 for each knob, and it'll just help keep it in place. So we got one for our climate knob and then 2 smaller ones for our stereo knob. So let me get them all out of the package, show you guys, and I'll throw them on. So here they are, all out of the package, and they are aluminum. They come in a bunch of different colors. I chose black because I think it looks the most subtle for my interior theme, but I saw red, I saw green, I saw orange, pretty much all the major colors they come in. So how this works is literally you just take it, and this is the factory finish. You can see it's kind of just rubber, and these just slide over top like so, and then you have that nice finish. Like I said, it's 2 seconds, easy to install. Same thing, they're kind of a pressed fit, so you just push them on like so, and there you have it. So here you guys go. That's what they look like, and it's just a pressed fit. So, and as far as if you need the double-sided tape, like if you tug on them enough, they will pop off. But if you're just using them in a normal fashion, just rolling them around, they're not going to go anywhere. So it's up to you if you guys want to put the double-sided tape on, but unless you're trying to yank the knob off, you can just get away with just sliding them on, but it's not going to hurt anything to throw the double-sided tape on here. So now you can kind of see we've got our aluminum 8-speed shift knob, which I made a video on. I'll link that down below if you guys are interested in that. And then we've got these aluminum knobs here. So I think it looks better, like, and if I just pop these off real quick, this is how it looks without it. So you guys tell me down below. I think it's a nice added little touch for, like I said, $11 and some change, with shipping, of course, from Amazon. I don't know, I think it kind of adds something, changes it up a little bit, kind of gives it, I mean, maybe if you're way up north and you don't like the feel of, touching metal because everything is freezing all the time up there, maybe I could see it not being, wanted, but other than that, I think it's pretty good. So you guys might not be into the whole, fake carbon fiber thing, but I found carbon fiber surround, and they're not even that expensive. Like this part here that's all silver, there is ABS plastic that has carbon fiber on the outside. It might be carbon fiber print, I'm not 100% sure, but it's an ABS plastic overlay that has double-sided tape, and it fits perfectly over top of this, where you see mine is all silver. Carbon fiber, I saw and found carbon fiber pieces trim that goes here for here. I found for the switches here. I also found ones that go over here, so around this ram portion. I found ones that go over this silver piece. Found one that goes around this whole entire black portion of the bezel, covers all this. Found ones that go here. If you're like me, and you have glare pop up off of this, sometimes the glare off of these trim pieces like blinds you. They have carbon fiber for that. Pretty much carbon fiber everything. I found carbon fiber cover for that. Carbon fiber trim that goes across here. Carbon fiber for this latch here on your glove box, and all over the place. So I found all that stuff. I linked it for you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to test out any of that stuff for you guys. I don't know what I would change. The only thing I was thinking is this. Sometimes the glare, gets to you, but ever since kind of tinting the windows, I haven't had that issue. But I know if you guys have the fishbowl in your vehicle, this can absolutely blind you at times. So like I mentioned, I will link those aluminum knobs down in the description below. Let me know what you guys think of them. And I will also link the Amazon link to the Amazon storefront where you guys can check out all the products that I've found for these vehicles. So hopefully it's a little bit easier to see the different stuff all in one place. But let me know what you guys think of this stuff down below. Like I said, I wanted to do the wiring and stuff for the LED bed lights. I did a video on this a few years ago, but I wanted to just do a refresh on it and kind of do it now that I have a tonneau cover. So if you guys are antsy and want to see that video, I will link it down below as well for the bed lights. But I'm going to be doing something similar here in the next few days. Lots of stuff coming up. I also have an air filter kit. So if you guys don't know, these trucks don't come standard with an air filter for the interior cabin. And I'm going to be doing that as well. So lots of little stuff coming up. Let me know what you guys think of this mini series of, affordable stuff that we're finding on Amazon that you can get. And give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check out the other videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.